morning. I'm here to do a number talk with you today. So there's some things about number talks that we have to go over before we start. The first thing with a number talk is actually quiet. The first thing is we're going to be thinking about math. We're going to be using some mental math strategies to solve some problems. So while we're doing the thinking, we need it to be very quiet. So the first thing we're going to do is when we're thinking, we're just going to take our little fist and put it right up to our belly, and that shows everybody that we're thinking about the problem. While you're thinking about the problem, you should be thinking about how you can explain the strategy you're going to use. When you have an answer and you have a strategy, you're just going to give a little thumbs up. That way I know that you have an answer and you're ready to explain your strategy. I'm going to ask you to challenge yourself to think of a second way to prove your first answer worked. So I'm going to do that by showing I have 2 strategies. Maybe you have 3 strategies. You could have multiple strategies, and the more strategies you have, you're proving your answer. Once you have your strategy, it's going to be time for everybody to share out. So when you're ready to share out, you just raise that nice quiet hand, and you're going to explain your answer and how you got it. My job is to write everything down that you're saying, right or wrong. So if it is incorrect, that's your job to look at everyone else's answers and try to figure out what you did that was not correct in that strategy. If you agree with someone's strategy, you're just going to show them, pinky and thumb, I agree. It's quiet. You don't have to say anything because we don't want to distract anyone else from their learning. Are you ready to try one?